Hello friends, welcome back to D&D. In case you don't know, D&D means design and development. I know I've been inactive for quite some time, but I plan to restart again and continue it for a long time. So yeah, in the start I plan to post small videos, but then was like I've got a hang of it, then I plan to go with longer videos. So I'll be just posting small Instagram, not Instagram, like small Figma videos and stuff. So thank you, and let's get started. Um, okay, yeah, so basically to tell you what we'll be doing today, we'll be creating a Figma interaction for this download button, right? To show you, I have this clip. Yeah, so yeah, it will be something like this. So if I just click on it, it will go to downloading, and from there, download it. Pretty neat interaction. I personally really like it, so I thought I'll just share it with you guys. Share it with you guys. So yeah, okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we'll do is we'll just create a frame below. Let's call it download button, right? We'll just align it just for the sake of it. Yeah, I'll just give it the width of 120 pixels and height of 144 pixels and corner radius of 10 pixels. That should do, right? Then we'll move on to create 3 more parts of it. The first one being the download, right? I'll just change the color to 1E1E1E. You can again keep whatever you want. Next we'll do is so basically what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to locate a plugin that's already there. In case you don't know, the shortcut for this is command and /, right? Or you can just go here and search for the plugin. So that's another way to do it, but like I just like to use the shortcut. It's fast and simple. I'll search for material design icons. There is loading. Yeah, right. So here we'll just go for sharp, and actually you know what, we'll just go for rounded. Then we'll search for download, and we'll take this as well as check and this one. So these two icons will be needing for this video. I'll just close it. And again, I'll print this here and make a group of it. Auto layout, center line, center left align, and the gap will keep 5 pixels and align it. To change the color for this one, an E1E, and we'll just take it here and place it. We'll just make sure that we have it right. Yes. So I'll just rename to download. Right, and make sure it's centered. Okay, that's nice. Yeah. And we'll do one more thing. We'll just create another frame inside, and we'll give it the same height and width, and center align it, and 10 pixels. You won't be able to see it, so I'll just remove this, and we'll give this, I'll just call it button. Okay, and we'll give this the color of FFFFF, right? So that's a separate thing now. The reason I created this one is because we need to create a progress bar. Inside that, yeah, we'll keep it inside so that we can add a clip mask to it. So I'll just take the rectangle tool, and we'll call it progress bar. Sorry, I'll change that. Yeah, progress bar. We'll give this height of 4 and width 120. Center line and bottom. And we'll give this a color of 14396A. Okay, this will be the color for it. And what we'll do right now is we'll just keep the width 1 pixel and 0 opacity, so that it's there but it's not there, right? Okay, now we'll do one more thing. We'll just create a copy of it, and for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just make sure, one second, this I'll just make sure that the clip content is disabled, right? And okay, this seems fine. I'll ungroup it. I'll remove this, center line it, and call it downloading, and change the color to white. Reason being, since it will be on the blue background, so we don't really need the dark grayish color, right? And make sure that it's 12 pixels. I'll change this, right? So yeah, 12 pixels. Now we'll again make a group of it, then copy it, shift it above, then go above, up, and make sure that the distance is 12 pixels. Ungroup it and take the check circle, and also we will change the color for it. Keep it the same. In fact, we don't really need it. We need white. Right. So I'll just delete it. Bring it here. Make sure that it's inside. Download it. Okay, we'll change it here also. And make sure it's 5 pixels. Right. Auto layout. Same settings, and make sure it's 12 pixels in center. Now we'll change the color to FF. Right, so that should do. Now in the button, and we'll just call it download it. Yeah, now we have the button. Inside the button we have the progress bar. Outside we have download, downloading, downloaded inside the download button. So that will be our first. Right. Now what I'll do is I'll just create a copy of it, right? And this I'll use scale. So right now we have the scale tool, and we'll just hold shift and command and reduce the height and width, making sure that the width is 108 pixels. Yes, that should do. Right, and make sure that it's center aligned, right, to this. Seems fine. And here we'll make sure that it's 9 and it's 20. And again we'll center align it, keeping everything like it was, and we'll just reduce it to 4. Okay, and we'll come here. Okay, and we'll keep it so that basically once you click on it, it will become small and then billowing. Right. Next step would be to make it to move to downloading. For that, I'll just click on this downloading and shift it below. Make sure it's 12 pixels and shift this below. Make sure it's centered, and we'll change the color of our button, and we'll go with blue one. Okay, seems nice. Perfect. And we'll shift this below. 12 pixels. Perfect. Right. Then we'll move on to the next step. Make another copy and make sure that this time the progress bar we have the width as 120 pixels and this to 100, so that now it will go from here to here. Right, seems nice. Perfect. Next step would be another screen. This time again we'll just make sure we'll just hold downloading, make sure we take it below 12 pixels and progress bar 12 pixels. Seems fine. Oh, it's there, you can see, but it's there. Right, now and we'll change the color of the button to green one. Seems nice. Okay, now here we won't be putting the downloaded option because like we need some time to make sure that the flow is not too fast. It should be smooth as button. Right, now we'll come here, we'll just click on this and ta-da. Now we have the downloaded. Perfection. Next I'll just create another copy of it. Here again we'll keep it like it was before, and for the check circle we'll just make sure it's 20 pixels and center line. In fact, we want, yeah, I think 20%, 20% seems fine. And right now we'll just create another copy of it. Ta-da. And voila, we are done with the design part of it. Now we'll move on to the prototype. I'll just click on this, my little prototype 2, and I'll just click on the first download button option. For this one, we'll move it to the second, basically this one. We'll click on click, smart animate, ease out, and 200 ms. Right. Then we'll move on to the second one. Okay. Now the difference in this would be that it'll be on delay. Right. So after delay, smart animate, is in 200 ms. Then we have this download button. Next, again after delay, but this time we'll make sure that we keep it to 500 ms. So there's some kind of delay. Right. It will be ease in, ease out, and it will be 700 ms just for the smoothness of it. Then next would be this. Here we'll keep on again after delay 1 ms, right? Smart animate, ease in out, and 200 ms, so that the progress bar gets enough time and it's not too fast, right? Then next would be this. This will be after delay, right? And we'll keep it again 500 ms. We don't want the start to be smooth and the end to be tough and too fast, so for the sake of it, right? Ease in out, we'll just continue with that, and 700. Then next would be this after delay, right? 300. Oh, sorry. 100. Smart animate. Here we'll keep it ease out, and we will keep this 300. Okay. Next would be this after delay 1 ms, ease out 300 ms, and finally we have this after delay 1 ms, palm free, so that we have this bouncing. That would be nice, right? And 800 ms. And ta-da. Let me just go through it and check it once. Yep. On click is empty. Or we can just click on it and check. So I'll just click on this, let it load. Yep. We have it. I'll just zoom in a bit. So, ta-da! We'll do one thing. So right now we made a small mistake. We kept in frame, that's why I guess it was acting a little weird. We'll just come back here. Yep. This we have to change. There should be 1 ms. And good. That was it. I hope you guys loved the tutorial. It was again very small tutorial, maybe like a short kind of like, but again shorts are way too fast. I personally don't prefer them as of now, but maybe future I'll get them try. So yeah, again back to the topic. I hope you liked the tutorial. In case you did, please smash the like button, subscribe for more videos, and I promise I'll be uploading more of them. Smaller but like cute, small tutorials. So yeah. I guess that's it. Peace out. Bye bye.